So today I'm coming at you guys with another wig review, so definitely stay tuned if you want to see where I got this unit from and you want to know all the details and stuff, like is it worth your money or if it's not. So I will let you know. Yeah, you probably can't even see my lashes from where I'm standing, but I'm gonna put you on anyways. Y'all go ahead and follow Ohhbrittney Lash Cup. Of course, I'll link all the information down below so y'all can, you know, do what y'all want to do with that. So now let's get into this wig, okay? So let me just start by saying, disclaimer, this is not how the unit looked when I initially got it. So I have straightened it. I've done quite a few things to it, but I will insert all of those clips in this video so you can see how I've been styling it. If you see my last tutorial, but if you see my last video, I did a review on the Cloud 9 wigs, the What Lace line from Sensational. So this wig is also from that line, okay? So alright, now this is what the card looks like. It's probably, my exposure is probably way too bright, you probably can't even see. The wig's name is Solana and the color I have is in burgundy wine. So you can't put heat on this wig. I have been doing that. When I initially got it, it was in like these barrel curls. Wig is curling iron safe from 350 degrees to 400 degrees. So, you know, you can curl it or do whatever you need to do to it. I wasn't initially wearing it like this. I think I had my baby hairs like different. Now, this is 13 by 6, which is my favorite part about this wig. I really like deep parts. So here, it's pretty deep. Can y'all see that? It's supposed to be burgundy wine. I feel like towards the ends of the wig, it's like brighter red. I don't know if you can like see kind of the difference. It's like a very slight difference, but it is brighter than the top. So really quick, I'm just gonna bring all the hair forward just so you can see how much hair you have that you're how much hair you're working with. So I'm gonna go ahead and step back to show you guys how long it is. So it stops about like at my waist, and I'm 5'5", but I have a short torso and really long legs, if that means anything. It's pretty long. If you can you see? I'm gonna turn around and show you how the wig looks from the back. I know one of my pet peeves is when you can see like the tracks through the wig. Hopefully y'all can see my tracks through the wig. Yeah, so it does come with 3 combs. It's gonna be a comb on this side, comb here, and then there's a comb in the back. There is no comb in the center, which I really appreciate. I don't really like combs in the middle of my head, especially because we do that bald cap method, and like we can't use that anyways. Now I will say this about the 13 by 6 hairline. Now, like I said, excuse me, it's about to come off, so it's not looking as laid as it was at first. It does go from ear to ear, so that part is correct. However, the parting space is about from here to here. So I'll show you what I mean. So if I go here to part it again, oh, I lied. It's not there. Let's see. Now if I go like somewhere around here, this is actually where the parting stops. So I don't know if you can see, it's about right here, and then this is like tracks. Okay, so do keep that in mind when you are purchasing this. So you won't be able to do like a super deep part unless you were like right here, right, like right there with it. So just to let you know, but you are able to, you know, part it here and stuff like that. So my thoughts on this wig, I really love this wig actually. For a synthetic wig, it's pretty good. Of course me, I always want my hair to be a little bit thicker, but this really isn't bad. Not at all. It's really not a bad density. It is kind of like layered in the front, so here are some shorter pieces versus the back where it gets very long. Okay, so about a week ago I did a braid out on the wig. So I wanted to see if I can get it curly. So I put it in a couple cornrows, and I will just go ahead and insert that clip now. So this is basically what it looked like, and then I just put it in that bowl. And then you just pour the boiling hot water in there, and then you just let it sit, let it dry, and then unbraid it. It's pretty simple. So that's what I did. I'll go ahead and insert a picture of how it looked. I had my hair in that style, I want to say, for about maybe 4 to 5 days. As far as shedding, actually, you know what? This wig does not do excessive shedding. I will say that. Because usually I'll notice it, especially with this hair being burgundy and, like, you know, you can really see the hair everywhere. Most of the hair is in my brush, but not, like, you know, everywhere. So I will say it's not like, you know, it doesn't shed too bad. It's just like normal shedding. Does that make sense? Now for the nape of the neck, I don't know if it's because I've had it straight, but I haven't really had much tangling back there either. I will say this though, the last wig review that I did on Celeste, I feel like they plucked it a little bit better on that wig versus they did on this wig. So yeah, you guys, I definitely recommend this wig. I think it's nice, especially for the price point. Like I said, you know, all the information will be down below. If you want to go ahead and purchase this wig, I will go ahead and insert a link. I did not order offline, so I don't have any like shipping details or anything like that to provide to y'all. I actually bought mine in store. If you were curious about maybe what store you can find this at, if you are impatient like me and you don't like waiting for packages, I was at the Beauty For You. So if you have a Beauty For You outlet near you, definitely go in there and look for it. I went in, it wasn't on the floor, so I had to go find someone and ask them for the specific wig. But yeah, you guys, I think this wig is so pretty. I really like it. You could definitely put like long curls in it and stuff like that. If you don't know how to do that, check out my last video. This will look really cute, but I've been wearing it for a while. I need to go back to black hair, so I'm about to change it, but I just wanted to share this video with you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I will link all the information down below. Alright y'all, bye.